This is going to be part 1 in a 3 or 4 part mini series where I'm making an order, specifically order 3112. The first thing I do with all my orders is get all the tips I need out so I can quickly prep them. She ordered 2 sets in oval and 2 in coffin with custom sizing. Once I've perfected the shape, I'll buff the shine off. You can use a chemical etching solution, but after 10 years I've got my method perfected and chemically etching doesn't save me any time. This is the set we're going to be making today. Cute. So this is the inspo pic she sent me. I don't have those exact colors, so I'm going to just try and mix to match the color the best I can. I'm going to be doing like a jelly yellowy color and a jelly hot pink color. And then I'm just going to paint on the first coat. I should also mention that I put my thumbnails on with tabs so that I can easily pop them off to work, because it's a lot easier to work without my long thumbnails. So just in case you're wondering why I don't have a thumbnail, that's why. Also with jelly colors, you kind of want to let them set a bit before you put them in the light to cure. This way they kind of even themselves out so you don't have a lot of streaky patches. I liked the way the pink turned out, but the yellow wasn't quite yellow enough for me, so I end up going in with a third coat and then curing it. Here I'm applying a thin coat of the Chrome Bond. I always use this before I do any kind of chrome. I feel like it's the best personally to get a perfect finish, but you can use any of your no wipe top coats. And then we go in with the chrome. I like to use my finger honestly because it just seems to work the best out of all the tools I've tried. I know it's not so professional to use your finger, but they're clean and they work the best and it looks cute, so it's whatever. Once you're done applying all the chrome, make sure you dust them off and go in with a base coat and make sure that you cap the free edge so that they don't chip. Then you go in with your regular top coat and you're good to go. Then I just pack them up on my regular little cardstock with double-sided tape, and they're ready to be boxed up and go. Look how cute. Talk to you later, bestie.